Why would someone consider buying an Amazon business, Omer?
Well, growing their own business, adding another store to their business. It can be related to something that they've done or they have, but it doesn't have to be. For example, we recently purchased a business as well, and we're basically looking to grow it. Also continue what was there before, but usually when someone is looking to purchase a business, they usually believe that they're able to operate this business better, make more money at the end of the day. That's what most people are interested in.
Yeah,
All right.
and one more important thing to mention is we had this whole industry. Every Amazon seller probably heard about it, of many aggregators that, purchased many Amazon businesses. Some of them went well, some of them not so much. And it is important, to do your due diligence before buying any business, because sometimes it can seem like, I will buy this business and next year I will make double the profits if I only change these things. But like any business, you can't always expect to have a smooth road, and it's important to do the due diligence, because many aggregators that purchased many businesses and thought they would be able to grow them all have found out that it's not so easy, and many of them closed down because of that.